So I'm now at the 175 kilowatt charger DC CCS, and yes, you can already see how I had to park because the car is so big and where the charging port is, and with the cable you have to get so close as possible. Charging port is okay as it looks like, and the opening and everything looks very nice, but it's just a stupid spot. You have to get all over this area in the front, so the cable has to be long. And let's check this out. Put it in. Woohoo! That's something. Stored. So let's use our RFID. You're allowed to start charging. Ooh, let's go. What? That makes a noise. Let's look. Come on, stupid car is in the way. I don't see anything. Okay. Are you charging? Makes noise. Says something. Few. There we go. 50%. 143 kilowatt. That's speed. Now that's the only thing that's great. 145. That's power. Look at that. 33 minutes to full. And we're almost half. That's good. Finally something good about this car. You can charge 622 kilometers in an hour. That's great. 146. Look, something good about this car. Is it possible? 148. Wow. That's great. See? Finally something good. God, it makes noise. Wow. And look at that. In 2 minutes, six kilowatt almost in 2.5 minutes. Now that's stuff. 6. Wow. That's power. God damn it, look at that. Will it go to 150? We're at 65%. Cool. Something I'm very happy about. I mean, think of it. You up to 80% in no time. 20 minutes from zero. Wow. Is there a different view? No. Does this do? Nothing. Charging active. 150. Cool. You're already at 70. We charged 15% in a few minutes. With 152. That is awesome. That's 71%. Now it throttles down. But a tiny bit from 152 to 147. I have to listen if there are fans. It's warm outside. It's sunny. No, the car doesn't make any noise. There's a fan. I don't see any opening. Look at that, 15 kilowatt in 6 minutes. Wow. That is power. Cable is warm. green for charging. Wow, wow, wow. 148. It's not throttling down really. So this is fun. And at 74%, still so fast. This is future technology. This is good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with this speed. It goes up. It doesn't go down. Well, when will it go down from 149 kilowatt? That's incredible. 20 degrees out there. The sun is shining right on top of us. It's hot in here. I have everything off. I want the full speed into the battery. I don't really hear a fan or anything. $78. God, you can watch this. I mean, think of it. 600 kilometers of range in an hour. Just awesome. Now we hear a fan. Now a fan is going, but still 150 kilowatt. Climate is off. There's no fan going in here. Now the fan is off again. Wasn't too hot. 145. Ooh, is it throttling down? 141. Yes. Just a tiny bit. Yeah, it's throttling down. But still above 100 kilowatt at 80%. Way above 100 kilowatt. 81. I want to see where it goes down to. $107. Will it go under 100? 106. %. Wow. Charging is impressive. Look at that. Above 100 kilowatt at 83%. That's insane. Wow. Now we have 100 and almost under 100. Still 100. There we are. We're under 100 now. Look at that. 11 minutes, 26 kilowatt. Cool. Yeah, man. 96 kilowatt at 85%. It's crazy. I hear a fan inside, but it's quieter than the air conditioning if I would have it on. The time is always recalculating. Even though it doesn't change in the middle, 18 minutes from 86 to 100%, 13% in 18 minutes. It's still A lot of power.